Hey guys, welcome to Sunday Problem Solving Challenge. Weekly one topic for our competitive exam preparation. And this season we are about to discuss two puzzles. One is of 30 seconds and another one 60 seconds. Without wasting any time, let's enter into first question of today's video. So here you have the first question. There is a number lock with 4 rings. How many attempts at the maximum would have to be made before getting the right number? I believe you can solve this question without pen and paper if you understand the concept. If you want to practice this problem, you can pause on this video for 30 seconds and don't forget to put your answer in comment. Okay, so this question is based on permutation and combination. So you have a lock with 4 rings. Now the question is, you are making the correct attempt at last try. So the question is, how many maximum attempts you can make before making the correct attempt? So how can we solve this question? So you have to find the total number of combinations available for unlocking the system. So you have a lock with 4 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the lock. You can imagine at the bottom of lock, you have 4 rings and it is a number lock. So you want to find the total number of combinations available for this number lock. And first place can be filled in 10 ways. With the number 0 to 9, you can make how many combinations? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can totally make 10 combinations. So first place can be filled in 10 ways. Second place can also be filled in 10 ways. With 0 to 9, with the 10 numbers, you can fix any one number in second place also. In third place also, you totally have 10 numbers. So in 10 ways, you can fix the third number also. So fourth place can also be filled in 10 ways. Now, totally how many combinations are available for unlocking the system? 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Totally 10 power 4 combinations are available for this lock. Out of the 10 power 4 combinations, only one will be correct, right? And you are making that correct attempt at last only. So it is 10 power 4 minus 1. So answer for this question is 10 power 4 minus 1. I believe you got the correct answer. If so, don't forget to like this video. Now moving to question number 2. Rupees 9,000 were divided equally among a certain number of persons. Had there been 20 more persons, each would have got rupees 160 less. The original number of persons were dash. You can take 60 seconds to solve this problem by pausing this video. And again, if you get the answer, put your answer in comment. Okay, this question is based on averages. Now you have 9,000 rupees with you and we have to divide this 9,000 rupees to n number of persons equally. We can take each person is getting a rupees or x rupees. Instead of 9%, if we have 20 more persons, so it is 9,000 plus 9,000 by number of person is n plus 20 in the second case. Now, instead of getting a rupees, each person will be getting 160 rupees less. So it is 160 minus a, right? Now, you want to find the original number of persons. So if you want to find original number of persons, hello. Okay. So yeah, we stopped here. So you want to find the original number of persons. I think I made a mistake here. So at the first case, each person is getting a rupees. In second case, each person is getting 160 rupees lesser comparing to the first case. So it is a minus 160, right? So instead of 160 minus a, it should be a minus 160. So we have to make the correct representation, else we will be ending with the wrong answers, right? Now, instead of a, can I put 9,000 by n here? So that I will be getting 9,000 by n plus 20 equal to 9,000 by n minus 160. Now, if I take this to left hand side, I get 9,000 by n. So instead of a, I put this value 9,000 by n. So I will be getting 9,000 by n plus 20 minus 9,000 by n equal to minus 160. Now I can divide the complete equation by 10. So 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. Now we can make a cross multiplication. So it is 900n minus 900n plus 1000. Okay. Yeah, it is minus plus 20 into minus 900, right? So it is minus 18,000 by n square plus 20 n. So now this 900 and minus 900 cancel. Now I have n plus 20 into n. So that becomes n square plus 20n minus 16 into n square plus 20n. Now I can cancel this in, okay, now these minus and minus get cancelled. Now I can cancel this in 16th table, right? Or first, let me do with 8th table. Now I'm left with n square plus 20n minus 1250 equal to 0. Now it's a very simple quadratic equation. If we solve, how much we get? 1 into minus 1250. And before that, let me check whether it is correct or not. 2 times 16. Okay. Okay, I think this is a mistake here. Yeah, I think I made a mistake here. Yeah. Now, if we divide this in 8th table, so it is 2 times 16, carry over 2. So again, it is 2 times 16, carry over 4. Now it is 5 times 40, 0. Now, if I do it in second table, I get 1125, right? So it's very common that people make mistake. So it is 1125. Okay. Now, it's a quadratic equation, 1125. While multiplying, you have to get minus 1125. While adding, you have to get 20. Now, by substituting which number here, we'll be getting minus 1125. Can we make? So if we get doubt on this kind of cases, we can simply divide it, right? So if we divide, how much we get? So it is in 5th table, 2 times, and again 2 times, 5 times. And again in 5th table, it's how many times? 4 times 20, carry over to 45. Now it is 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 45, we get 1125, right? Now 25 into 45. Now while multiplying, you have to get minus. While adding, you have to get plus. So it is plus 45 into minus 25, right? Now I can write n minus 25 into n plus 45. Now what is my final answer? N equal to plus 25 and n equal to minus 45. So naturally we can leave this minus value and we are left with the positive value, n equal to 25. So what is n equal to 25? That is the total number of persons. That is the original number of persons. So answer for this question is 25. Now you may wonder, how to solve this question in 60 seconds? If you are a person with good IQ, we can solve this problem using options. So that is actually the correct case to solve this kind of question in lesser time. If we solve using traditional approach, definitely it is going to kill much time in your competitive exam. Okay, now how to solve this question using options? Okay, now we have 9,000 people and we are dividing this 9,000 people to, 9,000 rupees. We are dividing this 9,000 rupees to 30 persons. So each person will get how many rupees? 300. Right? Now, if we have 20 more persons, each person have to get 160 less. Now we have same 9,000 rupees and instead of giving this 9,000 rupees to 30 persons, we are giving it to 50 persons. Now each person will be getting how many rupees? So if we cancel it, 1 times 5, 5, carry over 4. So it is 8, 0. Now what is the difference? You get 120. But how much difference you have to get? 160 less. So correct answer is not 35. Now, instead of 30, if we take option 2, 45. So we have 9,000 rupees and we have to divide this 9,000 rupees among 45 person. So each person will be getting 200 rupees. Now, instead of 45, if we have 20 more persons, so which is 65 people. So each person will be getting how many rupees? So if we cancel this in 5th table, it is 13. If we cancel this in 5th table, we get how much? So it is 1 times carry over 4, 8, 0, 0. Now 1800 divided by 13. It is not perfectly divisible. So you'll be getting decimal value. Am I right? So which is not equivalent to 160 also. So option number 2 is also wrong. If we go by third option, definitely you get the answer because already we got the answer here. But if you want me to explain, I can explain in this way. I changed the color for your understanding. So we have 9,000 rupees and we have to give this 9,000 rupees to 25%. Now each person will get how many rupees? Now for your understanding, I cancel this in fifth table and I cancel this in fifth table. It's how much? And we can cancel this in fifth table. It is 3 times 360. Now each person is getting 360. Now instead of 25, if we have extra 20%, so which means we have 45 candidates. Now each person will be getting how much? 200 rupees. Initially, each one is getting 360. Now each one is getting 200. So which is how many rupees less? 160 rupees less as per our question. So what is the correct answer? 25 rupees. Now, when you see this kind of question, solving using options are the best method, right? I believe you understood these two questions, right? So if you feel this is helpful, don't forget to give a like and share it with your friends. Stay connected to get more challenges in upcoming days. Thank you so much for your patience. Have a great day.